Uh, Hi everyone. I think everyone can see my screen. See my screen, right? It's displaying
Yes.
the presentation. Okay, that's great. So today this meeting is regarding the our MDA691 project, which is on advanced data classification and analysis tool. So our team members, me, Shad Kumar, Mohan, Vishwa, and Varun Raj, we all going to discuss the project, what we have done, and it's like a simple overview on our presentation. I would like to invite Mr. Mohan to take on the meeting. So one more thing here, our client name is RS Systems, and our client is Mr. Mohammed, who is going overseeing us, and our project supervisor is Mr. Dr. Osama Mahdi. So Mohan is going to take us from project overview. Mohan, please.
Hi, this is Mohan Malgari. I'm just going to tell about my project overview and the requirements of the project. Project overview is first we have to take what are the requirements and specifications uh, to the project, and after all gathering the information, we are mapping the project. And as come to the point, client requirements, our project aims to develop a web page that allows users to upload multiple file types such as PDF, Word documents, and Excel files with a bulk upload feature. Once uploaded, files will be stored on a server organized into folders similar to a file management system on mobile or desktop devices. The system will enable users to view and filters by various criteria, including upload file modification, date, size, type, and content sensitivity. Additionally, the web page will feature visual charts like pie and bar charts to provide a clear overview of the types of file stored. The functionality, user interface, and performance measures have been carefully developed through continuous collaboration with stakeholders, ensuring the project meets all expectations and requirements. Thank you. And my next slide is going to present by
Raju.
Raju.
Hi, this is Raju. I just want to explain few points about the design program project design diagram. Here we can see the user interface and the mobile access. This will do the only the front end layer, and we're going to explain the few steps about the back end layer, handle user request and manage a document upload and storage, communicates with data layers, and the other one is NLP ML layer. I think we know the lot of like AWS, Google Cloud, all of this cloud, we can store the data in those clouds. And the other step is database layer. The next step, we're going to do the secure storage, like encrypted data, documents. So all of the data management will be stored in this database. So then next slide, please. Yeah. Here we're going to discuss a few points about data collection and what are the steps are approaching in the database design. So we're going to discuss about the few points. There are like plenty of steps like data collection, data processing, modeling. So I just want to explain each and everything. In the data collection of the raw data from the various sources in a bulk. Like we can get the raw data from the various sources like internet or like everywhere from the bulk, and we just need to pre-process the data like cleaning the junk and cleaning the unwanted data, all of them. So after that, we just need to model the data like statical using the machine learning methods, and we just need to do the like what the data we want, we just need to sort out them, we just need to filter out the data. After that, we just need to do equalization, accessing model performance and using the validation metrics, and after that we just need to do deployment, and after that we need to do the monitoring and maintenance. If we see any errors or any bugs, we need to maintenance the data, and after that we just need to do front end react the positive response of the user interface. If you face any like any struck or any negative comments on our data, so we just need to do that again. So we need to do the NLP integration with the Google Cloud and data visualization. Next slide, please. And it
Uh,
starts with the registration. Yeah, it will explain by the Vishwa.
yes.
Hi there. As already explained by Mr. Raju, a very regarding design approach, here we comes with the approach number 1, which has user registration. So as we can see in the diagram, data flow diagram, users are registered into the system by creating a new account which allows access, and then download and document upload. So document classification, key process flow, and focus, all these are the steps which data will mainly go through. And while coming to approach number 2, so here you can see the set of software and hardware and how much does each of them cost regarding Google Cloud, TensorFlow, and React, and also Node. So here matrix based approach is mainly used. This approach uses a table of matrix format to outline the different process and outcomes. So categories, the table highlights criteria like futures, classification rules, and system outcomes. Detailed specifications provides a more detailed criteria based evaluation of the system regarding the hardware process. And the next will be continued by Sharat.
Okay. So, if you look at the next, we are going to explain the design approach tree. Here, if you look at, we have used the chart, Gantt chart. This Gantt chart is mainly going to explain the project life cycle. So here we have divided the entire project timeline into project initiation, planning, designing stage, development stage, testing, and deployment. So at final, the project stage. So in order to complete the project in a streamlined manner, we need to have some set of target times. So we use the Gantt chart to prepare some project design and project timeline design. We have segregated each phase by giving a set of time, like five for some process. If depending upon if it is a prolonged one, we have extended. This is not a final one. This is just estimation. This we need to be continue. We are continuously monitoring with the project outcome. So this can be changed from the time to time. So for example, the project initiation takes initial we have taken for 18 days, but we have completed in 6 days. So we are gonna change it. It is going to be updated in a later point in time to suit the project demands. And if you see it, the design approach number 4, it is a web structure, uh, web web backbone structure. See here, what we're trying to explain is the entire process of project initiation, planning, design, development, testing, deployment, project closure. So we try to explain the what are the sub-classification of the things we have to look in. For example, if we look into project initiation, we need to define the project scope, the feasibility analysis, project data creation, and planning. So project planning, gather requirements, risk management. So every stage which we are going to we have completed previously and which we are going to perform in future. The basic has been structured in a free manner and problem-free manner. Next, I will request my teammate Varun to continue design approach 5.
Hi, I will be explaining about the design approach number 5, which is our budget plan. As we can see that we have different tasks in our project, like project initiation, project planning, system design, development, testing, and deployment. Here we've made a plan about the duration and how long does it take. Total our project is of 124 days, and we are using various resources names like communications, backend development, cloud computing, and also backend developer. So this is how we are going to do it. Coming to the conclusion, our project, we used many Gantt charts to in our online budget timeline resource requirements and have held regular meetings to stay aligned with the project goals. And our future development is to enhance on the user access for them in mobile app, enhance language processing, advanced predictive analysis, expanding data visualization, and also management of the document integration. So this is how we are going to implement, and according to the timeline, we will be continuing the progress in the upcoming meetings. Thank you.